Today we shall discuss second problem. Construct mathematical model for the mechanical system shown in figure. Then draw electrical equivalent circuit based on force voltage analogy. This is the given diagram. They have given diagram. We need to draw the electrical equivalent circuit. Okay. Now you can see there is a two mass M1 and M2. Okay. First, draw mechanical equivalent diagram. Okay, you can see here before this is a equivalent mechanical system diagram. First, draw the equivalent mechanical diagram. Okay, mechanical system diagram. Next, you can convert into electrical equivalent circuit. Okay, first solution is draw the mechanical equivalent system. Now here there are two displacement x1 and x2. For x1 f of t is connected, k1 is connected, and m1 and b1. Okay, next b2 is connected for both x1 and x2, so it is in between between x1 and x2 there is a b2 exist. Okay, for x2 B2 is also connected, M2 and K2 and also B1. B1 you can observe here, B1 is connected for M1 and also for M2. So it is connected for X1 and also for X2, but it is not between X1 and X2. Okay. F of t is equal to, write the equation for the diagram. F of t is equal to, that is always we will consider first force is equal to some mass into displacement, like that. Okay, F of t is equal to m1 d square x1 divided by dt square plus b1 dx1 divided by dt plus k1 x1 plus b2 d x1 minus x2 divided by dt, because for we are writing for first displacement, that is for x1. Okay, what are the elements connected for x1, we are writing equation for that. Okay, so you will get b2 d into d of x1 minus x2 divided by dt. Okay, for next, for x2 there is no force. Okay, there is no force, so 0 is equal to, we are writing for x2 we are writing 0 is equal to b2 d of x2 minus x1 divided by dt plus m2 d square x2 divided by dt square plus b1 dx2 divided by dt plus k2 into x2. Okay, we have written two equation for two displacements. Okay, x1 and x2. Now you convert the two equations into force voltage analogy. Okay, what are the elements we need to convert? We need to convert mass into inductance. Okay, instead of write mass we will write inductance, instead of b we will write r, k instead of k we will write 1 by c, instead of x we will write q, instead of dx by dt we will write I, instead of x integration of I into dt, instead of d square x by dt square we will write di by dt. These are the changes we do in the force voltage analogy. Okay, we will change the elements change the elements. You can observe, instead of force we will write voltage, because force to voltage we are converting. Okay, v of t is equal to L di by dt plus r I1 plus 1 by c1 integration of I1 dt plus r2 open bracket I1 minus I2 close bracket. We are considering L1 because there is a two mass exist, so two masses are there, so M1 and L2. For that we will take L1 and L2. Okay, for next equation, okay, 0 is equal to R2 into open bracket I2 minus I1 close bracket plus L2 di divided by dt plus R1 I2 plus 1 divided by C2 integration of I2 dt. Okay, you can see here instead of B we have written R, instead of M L, instead of B we have written R, instead of K we have written 1 by C. Okay, I have written already what two equations. We have converted force voltage analogy. Now draw the circuit for this. Okay, for first equation, draw the inductance, resistance and capacitance. Those three are in series. First, you remember force voltage means you'll get in elements will be in series. Okay, inductance, resistance, C1 and R2. R2, why it will come in the middle? Because you will get R2 into I1 minus I2. That means first loop and second loop. It is connected for both loop. Okay, so it should be in the middle. You can see, observe in the equivalent mechanical system, we have B2E exists between x1 and x2. So B2, if we convert into force voltage analogy, that is R2. So here you can see it, R2 is exist between two loops, I1 and I2. Okay, so draw the electrical equivalent circuit. Next we shall go for the another problem, that is, this is a rotational mechanical system. Draw the electrical network based on torque current analogy and give all the performance equation for their figure. This is the diagram they have given. First, convert into mechanical system, rotational system, because this is a, here you get this diagram, rotational system. Okay, so draw for that figure mechanical system. Theta 1, theta 2. Here we, instead of x1, x2, in rotational system you'll get theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Those are displacement. Okay, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Next, you can see for theta 1, what all the elements are connected? K1 is exist between theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, next, for theta 1, torque is connected, J1 and B1. Okay, inertia, friction, and K1 is between theta 1 and theta 2. For theta 2, J2 is connected, B2 is connected, and K2 is in between theta 2 and theta 3. For theta 3, J3, B3 is connected. Okay, draw the circuit. Next, write the equations. There are three displacement, means you will get the three equations. Okay, capital T, that is torque, is equal to J1 d square theta 1 divided by dt square plus B1 d theta 1 divided by dt plus K1 into theta 1 minus theta 2. That is the first equation. Next, for displacement 2, that is theta 2, for that we don't have torque. So 0 is equal to K1 into theta 2 minus theta 1 plus, close bracket, plus J2 d square theta 2 divided by dt square plus B2 d theta 2 divided by dt plus K2 open bracket theta 2 minus theta 3 close bracket. Next, for theta 3 also we don't have torque. So 0 is equal to K2 open bracket theta 3 minus theta 2 close bracket plus J3 d square theta 3 divided by dt square plus B3 d theta 3 divided by dt. That is the third equation. Now we got the three equations. We need to convert into torque to convert current analogy. Okay, they have asked to convert current. So torque to current analogy, instead of mass we will write here capacitance, but here in this case instead of J we will write C. Okay, now for equation 1, instead of torque we will write I is equal to, instead of J we will write C1 d V1 divided by dt plus V1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by L1 integration of V1 minus V2 into dt. Okay, that is what you will get. Instead of B we will write R. Instead of J, we will write C. Instead of d theta divided by dt, we will write V1. Instead of d square theta 1 divided by dt square, dv1 divided by dt. Okay, I have written there what need to replace. Okay, instead of that, and we need to replace this. Okay, 0 is equal to, for equation 2, 0 is equal to 1 divided by L1. Integration of, instead of k, I have replaced 1 divided by L1. Okay, integration of V2 minus V1 into dt, plus instead of J2, I have replaced C2. Okay, C2 into dV2 divided by dt plus V2 divided by R2 plus 1 by L2 integration of V2 minus V3 into dt. Next, for third equation, 0 is equal to 1 by L2 integration of V3 minus V2 into dt plus C3 dV3 divided by dt plus V3 divided by R3. Okay, for that we need to draw the electrical circuit. Okay, they have asked to draw the electrical network for that. Okay, this is a torque current analogy. Okay, the parameters, that the elements should be in the parallel. Okay, current analogy means you will get the elements in parallel. So V1, how you have written starting. Okay, mechanical rotational system, what you have written in the solution for starting, same diagram. Instead of J, we will replace C. Instead of B, we will replace R. Instead of J2, C2. Instead of B2, R2. Instead of J3, C3. Instead of B3, we will write R3. Same diagram you can observe. Instead of T, we will write I. Instead of theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, I have written V1, V2, V3. Okay. Instead of K1, K2, we will write here L1, L2. Okay. These are the small changes while writing torque to current analogy. Okay. Instead of K, we need to write 1 by L. I have written L. So, you need to write it as 1 by L. Okay. Next, we shall go for the fourth problem. That is, for a mechanical system shown in figure, obtain force voltage analogous electrical network. This is the diagram they have given. First write the equation for that. Okay. Or else write the diagram first. Okay, to analyze, better to draw the diagram first. Okay, draw the diagram. I have written there in the solution. You can see for x1 force is connected, m1 is connected, b1 and k3, and k1 b2 is in between x1 and x2. K1 B2 is between x1 and x2, and for x2 m2 is connected, k2 is connected and b3 is connected. Okay, now start writing equation. You will get two equation because there is a 2 displacement. You will get 2 equation. Right, F is equal to, for first equation there is a force exists, so F is equal to m1 d square x1 divided by dt square plus b1 dx1 divided by dt plus k3 into x1 plus k1 x1 minus x2 close bracket plus b2 dx1 minus x2 divided by dt. Because we are writing for the first equation, so consider x1 later minus x2. Okay, for next second equation we are writing for x2 now. 0 is equal to, because we don't have force for x2 separately. Okay, so 0 is equal to k1 open bracket x2 minus x1, because we are considering for now we are writing equation for the x2, so x2 minus x1 plus b2 dx1 minus x2 divided by dt. Here you will get x2 minus x1, sorry, okay, x2 minus x1 divided by dt plus m2 d square x2 divided by dt square plus k2 x2 plus b3 dx2 divided by dt. Okay, now convert into force voltage analogy. Okay, V is equal to force to voltage. V is equal to L1 di divided by dt plus R1 into I1 plus 1 divided by C3 integration of I1 dt plus 1 divided by C1 integration of open bracket I1 minus I2 close bracket dt plus R2 open bracket I1 minus I2 close bracket. For next equation, 0 is equal to 1 divided by C1 integration of open bracket I2 minus I1 close bracket dt plus R2 into open bracket of open bracket I2 minus I1 close bracket plus L2 di2 divided by dt plus 1 divided by C2 integration of I2 dt plus R3 I2. Okay, you can observe we are converting to force to voltage. Okay, now the elements should be in series. L, R and C3 are in series. Okay, you can see the displacement between x1 and x2, there is a k1 and b2. Okay, if we convert into force voltage analogy, instead of k1 what we will write 1 by c. Okay, so it is in the middle. Okay, you can observe electrical network 1 by c capacitor in the middle. Okay, next b2, instead of b2 we will write r2. So you can see capacitance and R2 are in series and it is in the middle. Okay, so draw the circuit. It should be in, if you write equation for that circuit, it should be similar. Okay, thank you.